These are the tools that you will need to complete your LED project. You'll also need a 470 ohm resistor, 4 or 5mm blue LEDs, and heat shrink. Remove your mat and platter. Remove the bottom cover. Remove the black plug closest to the pop-up light. Turn your turntable upside down while protecting the arm. Remove all the screws and the feet. Don't forget, there's one screw below each foot. Remove the rubber base. Remove the 4 black screws and the 1 screw for the power switch. Remove the power and strobe assembly. Remove the on and off cap. Remove the diffuser paper. Remove the strobe base by gently prying the 2 plastic clips inside. Remove the strobe PC board by prying the plastic clip. It's easier to remove if you unwind the wires below. Use your multimeter and switch it to check the diodes. Your new LEDs will have an anode and cathode. Now we will check to make sure they work. The longer end will be positive, also called the anode. Start by removing the old LEDs from the board by using a solder braid or a solder sucker. The board will have a photo of where the positive and negative leads will go. Once you position your new blue LEDs, go ahead and solder them to the board and cut the extra leads off. When you're done soldering and cutting the excess leads, place the board back into the housing. Place back the strobe cover and paper diffuser. Place the on and off cap back on. Place the power and strobe assembly back in position. Place the power switch back into position and screw the assembly back in place. Place the rubber base on along with the screws and feet and tighten. Flip the turntable around. Find the brown wire to cut out and splice. Place the heat shrink on each side. You can also use electrical tape after soldering. Trim the 470 ohm resistor and twist one end to the brown wire. Twist the other end to the other end of the brown wire. Solder both of the brown wire ends to the resistor. Slide the heat shrink to cover the exposed sides of the resistor. Apply heat or a flame to the heat shrink to conform to the size of the area. Tuck the wire back in place. Place the black plug back into place. Place the cover and screws back into place. Place your platter and mat back into place and test. You're all done.